Attorney J. Craig Williams from the Williams Lindberg Law Firm. Let's talk about intellectual property. Big area. Let's try to focus in on a couple of points. What kinds of problems are corporations in the U.S. facing globally?
The biggest one is copyright infringement of DVDs and CDs overseas. It's as if you're swatting at flies, given technology and the number of people that are out there and how easy it is to simply copy material and then freely distribute it. It's difficult to police our borders with immigrants. It's doubly difficult to police our borders with goods and things being shipped into the country. So the biggest battle that corporations have is trying to enforce their intellectual property, their copyrights, patents, and trademarks internationally, because it's so big and technology has just flattened the way that we all do business.
What changes do you think we can expect with regard to intellectual property in the next 5 years?
Well, we've seen the Digital Millennium Copyright Act come into place, and that was Congress's attempt to provide some stability and some regulation to what's going on the internet. But as we all know, the internet changes daily, hourly, and even by the minute. So it's difficult for lawyers and especially Congress to draft something that fits a mechanism that's constantly changing and shifting. Some people have argued for an overhaul of the intellectual property system and saying it's completely insufficient to address how the world is changing and the speed of the internet. Others will tell you that the current protections that we have are sufficient and we just need to police them more and enforce them more. But I think it's probably a combination of both. I think that the things that are in place right now to protect copyrights and the lengthening of copyright terms are helpful, but we've got to make some additional changes to recognize the fluidity of how the internet is changing the world.
Attorney J. Craig Williams from the Williams Lindberg Law Firm, thank you very much.
Thank you.